sorry. I'm sorry.
Just stop it. Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. Guess who I have in the building?
Hey everyone.
It is the beautiful, the wonderful, my friend, my very dear friend, Miss Keisha Adinkra.
I like that introduction.
As you guys know, we have done many collaboration videos together in the past, but to your surprise, this is the first time we are meeting in person ever. We've never met in person, and we're here in Washington DC for the weekend, and we're just doing a whole bunch of girl stuff. We just filmed a video on her channel doing a makeup tutorial with this look that you're seeing right now. And for this channel, we're going to do a question and answer session. We're gonna.
I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know what kind of question it is, but
I mean, we're just gonna answer some questions from the gram, and that is it. Let's just get right into it because you guys know I talk a lot, and this could be a very long video, and Keisha doesn't like long videos. So anyway, let's go. First question. We're just gonna whatever answer comes to your head, just shoot it out. Ready?
Okay.
What is your worst habit? I'm indecisive, and she knows that.
Worst habit?
Worst habit.
I can really spend money, so I guess that would be my worst habit. Like, I can really spend some money.
That's
a bad habit.
Yes. Well, not necessarily, because you treat yourself well.
Right.
Yeah.
But yeah, sometimes. Yeah.
Well, I'm very indecisive, and it drives her crazy. Real crazy. What is your favorite TV series you have watched? Game of Thrones.
I mean, Game of Thrones is awesome as it is. MASH is my all-time favorite TV series.
Okay.
Like, I love MASH. It makes me happy.
Wait, no. I'm taking it back. Game of Thrones is my recent. But my TV series that I've watched over and over, to be honest, is The Office. Because I like to laugh. I'm a comedy all the way. The Office, I've watched that over and over and over and over and over sometimes. But the MASH?
MASH? Yes.
Really?
But right now, Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones is life.
Okay. What is the last song you listened to? For me, it was this morning when she was asleep. I didn't want to wake her up. So I had my headphones on and I was listening to French Montana. You want a song?
I don't really know French Montana.
I just know that one song because it was on the Pandora and it played next.
Tupac shed so many tears.
Because you watched Tupac movie last night. Do you want to get married?
So for you, the answer is obvious.
No. And if you're watching this, my husband, no.
Best friend. Don't listen to her.
I'm already married. I've been married for 10 years now, so done.
Yes. And for me, it doesn't matter. Like, I don't desire to get married, but if I do, I'm not opposed to it.
Does talking about sex make you uncomfortable?
No.
Well, no for me, but it depends who I'm talking about it with. Like with my parents, the way I was raised, it's like, it's an unspoken topic. Like, how did I get pregnant, mommy? I don't know. Like, it is the like...
stork brought you a baby.
Exactly. Like, the elders in my family with Jamaican is like, no. But everybody else, nope. I don't have an issue. Would you ever smoke weed? Or have you ever smoked weed?
You go first.
I have never smoked weed, but I have had weed as a drink for medicinal purposes because I'm Jamaican, and in Jamaica when we lived in our farm we had weed grown like regular. So like when we were sick as kids, they'll brew it as tea and it'll help you get your fever down.
Really?
Yeah, and it'll help you sleep. So I've had weed as a child because we do use it for medicine in Jamaica also, not only just smoke. I've never smoked weed in my life, but I would like to though. The only thing though is I would only smoke weed if I saw it like pure, like fresh. Because I think I hear they can cut it with some other stuff and I'm not with that life. But I just want to try it once in my life.
Yeah, they soak it in some stuff sometimes.
Yes.
Yeah, weed. I don't smoke weed at the moment.
At the moment?
Let me just clear that up. But yeah, weed is lit.
I want to try it once. Just want to try it. Next time I go to Jamaica, I'll tell my uncle, you know, let's make it happen.
You gotta get the natural weed.
Yeah. What is your favorite way to wear your hair? Everyone knows this. I don't do much styles with my hair. I do a side swoop. This time I changed it up today. I put a little...
I'm channeling your side swoop.
Yes. I wear my hair in a side swoop curly style every day.
I love a bun. I love a bun and a head wrap. So that would be my favorite way.
Okay. What are your favorite bands / singers? I don't.
I love music.
Yeah, I love so many different types. I don't have one particular favorite person. I don't have any. I just love everything.
Yeah, there's so much. So many names I could throw out there. So, but if I had to pick one all-time favorite singer, it would be Bob Marley. Clearly.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Or Michael Jackson. Or Prince. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying?
What are your initials? So including your middle name, your initials?
KLC.
And mine is NKAL. No! Well, I got married. NKAB. Well, it used to be L, now it's B. NKAB.
Sounds like a bank.
Who's the most attractive celebrity to you?
At the moment.
Yeah, at the moment you gotta say that. Because it changes for me. Okay, I don't know the person's name, but at the moment, for me, if you guys saw the movie Moonlight,
she gonna steal my dude. Is she gonna steal my dude?
I'm gonna say first. In Moonlight, the guy that played the adult kid.
Oh no. Okay.
The adult, yeah, the adult guy.
Yeah, he's nice looking. But he looks too young for me.
Just dark and just.
Mahershala Ali is fine as.
Okay. We'll work with that.
Yeah, he's fine.
All right.
Oh, that man's fine. That man's beautiful. Like, he's not even fine. He's just a beautiful man.
Do you or would you drink alcohol? Question answered.
Right.
All right. Moving on. What makes you happy?
That's a vague, very vague question. Sometimes food makes me happy, you know. Sometimes laughter makes me happy, jokes. My son makes me happy all the time, so, you know, of course, my son makes me happy.
I don't know.
I make myself happy,
exactly.
You know, just being me, I'm happy, so it's kind of...
It's a hard question to answer. Like, I'm a very happy person naturally. A lot of things make me happy. Seeing other people happy makes me happy. Traveling makes me happy. Being around positive people make me happy, so...
Yeah.
A lot of things make me happy.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't need something specific to make me happy.
Yeah.
What are you like when you get drunk?
Okay, so it depends on the type of liquor or alcohol. If I'm drinking wine, I'm just gonna be chill and kind of goofy. Brown liquor, I can get sleepy or I can get what's the word? Depending on how much I have, I can either get sleepy or I can get emotional, I guess would be the only other word. Like
this brown liquor.
Yeah, and white liquor, which
that's tequila.
Because somebody's getting caught. I'm gonna fight somebody. I don't know who it is, but I'm looking for a fight. I'm walking around looking for a fight.
For me, any kind of like soft liquor, like champagne or wine, makes me really relaxed and sleepy. I don't know why. It's opposite for me. Wine makes me so sleepy and relaxed.
Why are you drinking wine right now?
I don't know, but I don't know. But like the hard liquor, like a hard liquor, I get quiet still, but I get very affectionate. Like if you're next to me, I'm drinking hard liquor and I'm starting to get drunk, like I'm drinking like Hennessy or something like that, which I rarely do, but if I do, I get really quiet and I just start hugging, just the whole time, just hugging.
We know who not to give Hennessy to.
Yes.
Depending on the situation.
And you better hug me back. I just want to be hugged. Just hold me while I drink the liquor. Would you rather live without music or without TV?
Oh, TV. TV can go.
Yeah, TV can go.
Yeah.
I don't need music. But wait, if you had TV, no,
Yeah,
TV can go.
TV can go.
TV can go. Do you like people playing in your hair?
Depends on the person, the situation.
Yeah. I don't care if people touching my hair. Like my husband touches it, but other than that, no, I don't like it. I don't like getting my hair done. I don't like it. I don't like it. What traits do you find attractive in the opposite sex? Like if you want to date someone, what do you find attractive?
So are we talking physical traits or are we talking like...
All right, give 3 physical and 3 non-physical.
Okay. So 3 physical, in shape. He doesn't have to be like pow ripped, but definitely in shape. A nice smile and well-groomed hair, facial hair and hair. Well-groomed.
Oh, my 3 physical traits are at least my height or taller.
I hate the height. I hate height requirements because no, I gotta vent for a moment because a lot of y'all out here talking about I want a man who's 6 feet and above. Listen, y'all missing out on some good men out here talking about I don't want a man who's under 6 feet tall. Like stop.
But at least my height. At least my height. I'm 5'4", so 5'5" and up, you're good.
With that, yeah. People be like, oh, he gotta be 6 feet tall.
Nah.
Stop.
At least be eye level with me.
Yeah.
So the height thing, actually well groomed as well. You don't have to be perfect shaved down, but it has to be some kind of neatness to it and clean. And I don't really know, as far as, I mean, healthy, but as far as fit, I like muscles, but I don't like a lot of muscles. Like, I don't like a diesel guy that can't put his arms down. It doesn't, I don't know.
They can't put his arms down?
Yeah, it just be like out there. I don't like that. So just be healthy. Oh, a good dresser. If you can dress and put an outfit together, put a suit on one day and put on some like jeans and some Timbs.
Yeah.
That's why I'm married to you, boo. Okay.
So non-physical traits, honest, dependable, and you know, wealthy would help, but you know, I'm not too picky. But smart. I'll go with smart.
I would say a leader, someone that's not afraid to do what if they want, like they don't follow the rules of society, they do what makes them happy. So a leader in that sense. Funny, you gotta be able to put up with my silliness, because I'm silly and I say some stuff that is not really real, I'm just sarcastic, but you have to be able to put up with it. And you can't be overly jealous, because I'm not a jealous person, my husband is not a jealous person, and we just know that. We're not like, I'm not checking your phone, you're not checking my phone, we're just living life, and that's what it is.
Yeah.
So I don't like that lifestyle. So those are the 3 things. Would you kiss someone of the same sex?
Oh, same sex. Who's to say I haven't? You know?
Ooh!
But at the same time, it's like it's all dependent on the situation. So, you know, yes.
I'll probably do a peck or 2. About it. Do you feel awkward during silences? Like if you're in a room with someone that's very silent, do you feel awkward?
Absolutely not.
Because you're the silent queen.
Yeah, like silence is golden. Just zip it.
Not really. Depends on who I'm in the room with. But not necessarily. I might not. But if I'm like, if you're over my house and I'm entertaining you and I'm supposed to be entertaining you,
right,
I will feel weird because I want my silence, but I know in my head I'm supposed to be entertaining you.
Yeah.
So that's the only way. But if we're like in a mutual area and it's silent, I don't care. I'm not obligated to entertain you. Do you think aliens exist?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
I don't know if I would call them aliens. Like, I don't really like that term, but definitely other life forms on planets other than Earth.
Okay. Have you ever had an alien encounter?
Oh, no.
No, not have I. I don't think so. I think it's just in my head. But yeah, I do think other life forms exist. Definitely. Favorite school subject? Well, I'm not in school anymore. When I was in school, my favorite subject was...
You just started talking so fast.
Oh, no. I can't think of my favorite subject. Do you want to go first then?
My favorite subject in school was history, for sure. I love history.
You know what?
English literature was also good.
Yeah, I majored in English in college. That was my major. But my favorite subject was any of the earth sciences, like earth science, geology, any of the earth sciences. I like those. Yeah, those I remember. Those were like one of my favorite classes to attend. I should have majored in that. I don't know why I majored in English for the earth sciences. Do you have a lot of friends?
Good question.
I am a very friendly person, but to be honest, I don't have a lot of friends. I don't know why. I mean, I grew up that way from my mother, but I'm very friendly. If you meet me in person, I'm very friendly. But to have friends, I don't.
I did not know she was this friendly. Like, she makes conversations with everyone.
Yes, I do.
Me personally, I think I'm a friendly person, but I'm not a talkative person. So I don't have a lot of friends.
Okay.
Which I think is good.
I think it's a good thing. Like, I don't have. You're friendly to people that you know.
Yeah.
I could be in a restaurant. I'll just talk to strangers.
Yeah, I'm not.
But then I wouldn't consider you my friend.
Yeah.
That's just how I am. Where in the world would you like to visit? You've been mostly everywhere.
I would like to go to like Iceland.
Okay.
I would like to go to Iceland.
I haven't been to my mother continent yet. I want to go somewhere in Africa, specifically Ghana. You guys know this already? I need to go to Africa, and specifically Ghana. Do you have trust issues?
No, I don't think so.
I do.
But if, pardon me, but it's like once you cross the line, I'm the type of person that once it's done, it's done. Like, there's no second chances and all that stuff. Like, so I guess I don't have trust issues because I'm not going to give you another time to F it up. You know what I'm saying? So why should I have issues when you got one chance if you F it up?
I mean, I don't think I have trust issues per se, but I don't trust anyone fully 100%.
Really?
I don't. Even my husband, I will trust him like 99%. But let's just say, the scenario. I killed somebody, I would never tell him.
No, I would never. If I did something like that, I would never tell anyone. Like, no.
I don't have complete trust in anyone in the world except myself.
Any crime, if I commit a crime, nobody is gonna know. If anybody knows, I'm taking them out.
Exactly. So, but other than that, I have a little bit of trust issues. I'm very private with myself. I'll talk a lot, but you won't hear me talk about myself too much. If you realize my account is about the other person.
Yeah.
I won't tell you too. And what I do tell you is public knowledge already.
Yeah.
Twitter or Instagram?
Twitter.
Instagram.
Nothing's better than Twitter.
Instagram.
Nothing's better than Twitter.
Instagram.
Nothing's better than Twitter.
Part 2 to this question. Instagram
and
story.
Put my Twitter handle up here.
Right there? Alright.
You're over here somewhere. Follow me.
Instagram stories or Snapchat?
Instagram stories, because it's all in one. It's all inclusive.
True.
Like,
so Instagram stories.
Yeah. And weren't you saying Snapchat kills your battery?
Yeah, Snapchat. I'm sorry, I haven't been on Snapchat in a while. Snapchat kills my batteries. I mean, you guys have more, like, you know, the filters and all that stuff, but kills my batteries. Do you believe in luck or miracles? I believe what you put out is what you get back. So if something happens to you and it seems like it's a luck or it's a miracle, it's because of some kind of intention you put in the universe beforehand. Like, I think you create these intentions for your future.
So you would say, in a sense, you create your own luck.
Basically, yes.
Yeah, agree 100%. Yeah, I don't think things just happen by chance. Like, you've manifested these things that are happening. So.
Based on what you say, based on how you live your life, based on
what you think.
Yeah. So be careful what you say. Like, I wanted to meet Keisha one day and look at this. Ow. Those were all the questions answered. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had a blast, you know, drinking it up. Cheers. Hanging out in DC.
Wait, can I just point out? Oh, she don't want to put her glass up. Like, what are we doing? She's babysitting? Okay. Rude.
Anyway, we had a blast in DC. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will link the video where we did this makeup look to her on her channel in the description bar and above. And that is all for now. Have a good day. Make sure you enjoy your journey. Bye.
Peace.
Peace, YouTube. Who is Sugar?
You can't be silly. I know, right? Sugar better copyright that.